Ano lang yan? Person number. Ewan ko. Pinakanta lang ni Mang Carol. Ano yung greet time niya? Ay, Mang Carol ba? First year nga tayo. Do you wanna be a poet and write? Do you wanna be an actor up in life? Do you wanna be a soldier? Alam mo si lyrics eh. Pili niya yun. Ang kapal ko! I want you to bend! Iban mo na! Ay, ako! Ito na! Hindi natin! Ulit! Hindi natin! Magpapahit pa ng kulang. Sings? Ano ba? Ulit! Ito na! Ano? Kukunat din yan. Be a billionaire, so fucking bad. Why all of the things I never had? I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shining lights. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare. Oh, diba?
Go, Joy! Kaya mo yan! Okay lang yan, Joy! Diyan mo na yung gano'n. Ang gay daw niyan eh. Ang gay ng kanta.
Your lipstick stains ang taas on the front lobe of my left side brain. Ay, liban na. Bengo.
Oy! Nasaan ka?
Favorite ni Nicole.
Huwag ka nga!
Ang garagaran. Ay, sorry. Bengo. You're better than the best. Mommy just to learn you in your life. Cooler than the flip side of my pillow. Ang baba naman. Completely unaware. Never take a breath. You sang me, lets me know that it's over. Ang baba. And the moment where my good times start. You make me smile like the sun, fall out of bed, sing like a bird, dizzy in my head, spin like a la-la-la-la. Something now. You make me dance like a fool, forget how to breathe, shine like gold, buzz like a thief. Just the thought of you can drive me wild. Oh, you make me smile.
Mas pari ka dyan.
Kasi na. Somehow you